Greetings, BENZTRAINZ from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, something completely different. A piece of rolling stock has arrived. Now, as a rule, I don't buy rolling stock, but this is something I needed. This is in all actuality a Lionel Caboose. It just got here. I picked this up on eBay for $5 in the box. I just don't know how to open it. Let's cut here and see what's under this. Oh, I see. All right. Anyway, this is the Caboose for that Turbine Caterpillar locomotive set that I built. And I needed a yellow Caboose, and I didn't have one. Anyway, I went looking for one, found this on eBay for $5. I mean, yellow I don't think is a popular color for cabooses. And there it is. All right, get this box out of the way. So anyway, let me bring the locomotive up here. So as you see, I assembled all of my yellow cars and made it consist behind that turbine locomotive. So let's see what this actually looks like. And there it is. It is intact. Has operating coupler on one end. It is undamaged, and it is yellow, which was the whole idea. So there we have the complete set. All right, I put a 5-car consist together for this. All yellow, of course, as you see. So I needed a yellow Caboose. Anyway, it was worth the $5, I thought. And it is like new in the original box. So, in any case, it is, for all intent and purpose, complete. So, the Caterpillar turbine diesel locomotive and 5 yellow cars, as you see, with its new yellow Caboose. Let me get this tripod out of the way. So, as you see, that runs absolutely perfectly. And it is now complete. All yellow cars, including the Caboose. In any case, for $5, I couldn't pass it up. Like I said, I doubt yellow is a very popular color for a Caboose. I'd only bid on this. $5, and it took 10 days for it to arrive. I contacted the guy, asked him what the holdup was. He said, "Oh, I mailed it 5 days ago." Like, well, there's no movement at all on the tracking. So, in any case, on the 6th day, it suddenly showed up. So, he didn't mail it for 5 days, basically. Anyway, as you see, it is up and running with its brand new yellow Caboose. So, in really decent shape. Just want to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.